welcome to Blink Pro. We're in the lovely Churchgate salon in Bolton and we are going to show you how to put together this retail box which you may have bought online or at Professional Beauty. You will have seen it like this, but it will come like this. I'm going to show you a video of how to put it together. Okay, so we're going to start with this section, which is the big sort of flappy bit. Okay, so you need to make sure before you start that you've pop typed these, which will be in like little pieces of cardboard, and you just be careful popping those through and then you don't rip any of the covering. So what you want to do is bring up these two big sides into the middle and then fold in these pieces here and bring that middle bit together. This first bit is like the hardest bit to do. So there you go, once that's in, that's a lot easier, so it's looking like that then. So you've got like a guideline. So these bits here, folding over, and then we'll tuck into those little holes there, and the same on this side. And then just tuck in there. And then you bring the back bit up, folding these sides over, and you're going to tuck these into each side. Like so. So it looks like that. And then you fold that bit over and tuck that in, and that's your base. Done. Okay, so your next piece is this bit, which is the header. Really easy to do. All you're doing is just tucking it in on the top here. Just make sure you're getting it right, and that's it. Easy. Okay, so your next piece is this piece with the logo on it. And what you need to do is put it flat and fold this piece over onto the back, and then where you can see the joins there, just gently fold along the joins, spinning it round, and be careful not to bend it in the wrong place, and bring the logo one up as well. If you use the bottom piece as a guide when you're pulling that up, it'll stop it bending. Same with this side, bend it back like so. And then you've got a little box type shape. Fold these back, the little flaps on the side, ready? And then this slides into the back of the box. And I find it easier to take the double-sided tape off once it's inside and then it's not sticking to everything. So you just push that back in there, tuck these sides in, there's a little like hole there, push it together, and that's your bottom top shelf in. Okay, so your next piece is this piece, which is the smaller shelf. So again, you're putting it flat, fold it over, and you bend back on the joins there, all the way around. Okay, just make sure it's properly folded back on these. Be careful with it. So this bit is then going into the front section here. There you go. Okay, Okay, so now you've got this piece, and again you need to make sure you've put through all the little bits of card and then this piece at the top as well. So I find the easiest way of doing this is, again, bringing the two sides together. And tucking that bit down. And as you can see, there's like a little bit that tucks in there. You need to make sure that's tucked in. That bit back. And then push that bit over like that. And that's the drawer. And then you put this little piece inside. So it's all black. And then the drawer. Does go in here. And that's it, finished. You just pop your lashes in and it's done. Okay, so you've got your fully built box. I find it best to put Greatest and Victorious on the top. They're your fuller, more glamorous lashes, just so you know where they are and you can show your customers. And Promise and Breathe on the bottom, your more natural ones. So you've got room for 5 of each, and then you can put the rest in your drawer, and it's done. Easy peasy. If I can do it, anyone can. Thank you for watching. Bye.